North America's largest kitchen and bath exhibition, KBIS. This year's KBIS 2024 is being held in Las Vegas, United States. LX Hausys' sensuous designs will surely present any visitor with a captivating new experience.
So they're ahead of the curve on a lot of stuff, and they're complementary to the other products that you'll see in residential or commercial products out there.
The way that the new colors really look like the natural material, and it really truly does look like the natural God-given stone.
LX Hausys is participating in KBIS 2024 to showcase its products under the theme Naturegraphy. LX Hausys can be found anywhere within our daily lives.